Next week will mark 20 years since Hurricane Katrina and the failure of the levees in New Orleans. Today, I hosted a special panel at the University of Houston downtown to reflect on the devastating aftermath and Houston's response. Former Mayor Bill White and former Harris County Emergency Management Coordinator Francisco Sanchez, who led Houston's efforts, were among the panelists. Also key to the discussion, 2 UHD faculty members and native New Orleanians who survived Katrina and its aftermath despite the dire circumstances.
I distinctly remember we were 30 that year, and the amount of money we had in savings was $200. And in that moment, we lost our home, and we also lost our source of income because the entire infrastructure of the city was destroyed.
But Houston, it was the beacon of hope, providing her with housing, work, and childcare, thanks to the leadership of Mayor White and Francisco Sanchez. Hear more about their heroic and historic efforts, plus those stories of loss and resilience 20 years later on the KHRU 11 Plus app.
Also stream